Hello everyone, good day. All my friends out there. Uncle Clyde here once more. And in my kitchen today, I'm going to curry turkey. I have the turkey here, as you can see. I have curry, garlic, shadow benny, pimento, and an onion here. So now I'll put the pot to hot. So when my pot hot, I'll motorize, put all my ingredients and fry up everything and curry turkey. Start the boiler rolling with the oil. So now I'll put the ingredients one by one, starting up with the onion. I'll put the curry down. So you know curry have to well cook, otherwise your belly will be in problem. Some pimento. Shadow benny. Garlic. Have to well cook up your curry, otherwise your belly could walk you. So I'm making sure my curry will well cook before I put the meat, the turkey here. With a little chance, a little 3-4 minutes, let the curry cook. So now I could put the turkey meat. See the color? Rich color. Nice color. So now I'll just add a little water for it to keep boiling up. Okay, so now I'll cover it up, let it boil up, take a time and cook. Okay, so now I'll just check and see how the turkey going. Right now everything cook up. So it's good to go. Ready to eat.